So to get started, we're going to boil 2 cups of water to blanch our lemons in. Okay, we'll turn the heat off now that it's boiling and really hot and add our lemons. I'm going to let them soak in there for 1 minute. See how thin I slice those lemons? Now that we've blanched our lemons, we're going to get to the candying portion of it. Got a cup of water and a cup of sugar. Let's get that dissolved. We'll let that simmer for about 25 minutes, maybe, well, anywhere from 25 to 45 minutes until our lemons are very translucent. The lemons have cooked for 25 minutes. I am removing them from the sugar water. The ones that are perfect circles, I'm going to keep as perfect circles. The ones that are a little goofed up, I'm going to let them cool and then I'll twist them. Going to reserve this syrup for the cakes. Pour that over the cakes whenever they are done. Now that the cakes have cooled off a little bit, I'm going to put on some of the syrup from the candied lemons. I added 1/4 cup of the lemon juice to this. Just kind of going to drizzle a little bit on there. If you don't want the glaze on your cake, just a few spoonfuls in a glass of gin. Ooh, a delightful cocktail.